Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Martin Bovar Auto Spa. Another video today. I've been busy this weekend making videos, so trying to get caught up. I know I wasn't posting for a while there. But anyways, we've got another product from Vonixx, Brazil, a company based out of Brazil. This is their V-Floc. This is just a concentrated car wash shampoo. So we're going to see how it foams, and we're going to see how it is, slickness wise in a bucket, etc. You can see there, that's the pH level that they put on there. If I can get that to focus. pH neutral. Very concentrated, very strong cleaning power. Now, on the how to use instructions, there is a mistranslation here. It says 10 milliliter or 10 fluid ounce, and the 4 liters or 1 gallon of water. I'm going to show you why. I mean, if you know anything about measurements, you know that's not good. So I'm going to go with 10 milliliters because milliliters, right here above my thumb, is 10 milliliter mark. Okay, 10 ounces would be 10 of these full. So anybody from Vonixx, if you're watching this, you might want to redo that label. I would say just take the ounces off altogether, or just properly convert them. That way you don't have any confusion here. Anyways, so I've got my personal car to wash. It's not that dirty. That's why I'm just using a basic car shampoo. Somebody said it smells really good. I haven't actually smelled it yet, so let's see if that's true. It does. It kind of smells like a grape slushy, I guess you could say, which is a nice smell. Grape, or what is it? Grape, those hard candies. Jolly Rancher. It smells like grape Jolly Rancher, and Jolly Ranchers smell delicious. So we're going to get that started, and I'm also going to touchless wash my wheels, and I'll show you guys on that if you haven't seen my video. But first, anyways, it says 10 milliliters to a gallon of water, approximately, excuse me. So I like to estimate that as 10 milliliters to 100 milliliters of water in a foam cannon. A foam cannon has 500 or 1,000 to be full, so it's about halfway, so I'm going to put about 5 milliliters in there. Let me see what the measurement on that is. I mean, not 50 milliliters, so it's going to be about 2 ounces. Again, you don't have to be exact, specific in your measurements. You just got to be in the ballpark. There's one. This stuff is really thick, like syrup. Kind of hard to get it to stop pouring without making a mess. Not a big deal, but something to keep in mind. Okay, we got that in the foam can. Whoop. An NJGC Foam Cannon Pro. Again, guys, there'll be links to all this stuff below. Make sure that's all nice and mixed around because of how thick this stuff is. I wouldn't think it's going to dissolve super easily without some agitation. And we're going to set the foam can to max foam. Alright. Now, let's go dilute it in a wash bucket. Alright, so again, it said 10 milliliters to a gallon of water. So we got about, these are 3.5 gallon buckets, so we've got about 2 in there. So we're going to do 2.5. I can see where my measurements are. Or 25, I mean, not 2.5. Alright, so yeah, we got about 2 gallons of water in here, so it'll be about 25 milliliters. Get that out. Don't like to waste soap. Agitate it up. Probably help if I turn the pressure washer on. nice and foamy, as you can see. So guys, first I'm actually going to touchless wash the wheels. I'll show you that real quick. Alright, so I'm going to use WashChem's Pro 50 right here to do touchless wash. I have it in my IK Foam Pro 12. My wheels are ceramic coated, so they're not that hard to clean, so I find touchless washing usually does the trick when they're not too dirty, which they're really not. It's mostly just, they're lined with brake dust, but it'll come off easily. So we're going to get this over there, and we're going to get these wheels touchless washed. Alright, so I've done a video on this before, but let's do it quickly. I'll show you one wheel. You can do the undercarriage if you want to. I'm not going to do it right now, but it works great on the undercarriage. Wheel wells, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I'm going to let that dwell. I'm going to go spray the rest of the wheels while this is dwelling, then we'll come back and rinse it off. Alright, it's been dwelling for a little bit. You can see around the tires, it's really pulling the grease out of the tires. And again guys, this is a touchless wash soap. This isn't a wheel cleaner or anything like that. You can use other things if you want touchless wash. This is what works for me. This stuff is made for touchless washing, so that's what I like to use. But after it dwells, all I do is rinse it off. That's all there is to it. See by the beading, the wheel is obviously ceramic coated. Yeah, that's all there is to it. I'm gonna get the rest of these done, and then we'll go ahead and get into the foam cannon. Alright, so we're gonna get this foam down. That should be a pretty good viewing angle, I think. Let's get this done. Yeah, some nice thick suds. Smells really good too, so definitely did a good job. Decent lubrication. I mean, it's good lubrication, it's not bad lubrication. Just rinse my fingers off real quick. Alright, so I'm going to get the rest of this car foam down, and then we'll come back to see how it rinses off. Alright, so get the foam applied. It cleans pretty well. I laid it on a little heavy on the side, but also the car is ceramic coated, so it's hard for cars to stick, or for soap to stick on vertical surfaces. Horizontal surfaces does great though. They stay in there nice and thick, creamy, rich foam. They're definitely good. But anyways, let's get it rinsed off. We'll see how it rinses. So yeah, it rinses pretty easily, doesn't really leave any residue that I can see or that I noticed. Everything comes off pretty easily, so another great aspect of that. I'm going to finish rinsing the car off and I'll show how to contact wash and how it feels under the mitt. Alright, we got all the snow foam rinsed off, so we're going to go with the bucket and mitt and see how it does. Which I'm sure it'll do fine, because it's a freaking soap. The car shampoo. So I've got the Car Pro Dab Dab Wash Mitt. Love this thing. Very soft. Let's see how it feels. Again, it smells great. Very slick. No complaints there. Beautiful, beautiful. And we'll get that rinsed off and see how it rinses after contact wash. Couldn't ask for an easier rinse off. I mean, look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Alright, anyways, I'm not going to bore you with washing the entire car, so let's go back in for final thoughts. Alright guys, so Vonixx V-Floc car shampoo, or as I call it, concentrated car wash. Great stuff. I give it a thumbs up. I didn't say the price in the beginning of the video, I'm sorry. Let me see. The price of this is $9.99. $9.99 for 500 milliliters. Not a bad price at all. Probably pay more at the store for something similar, for, you know, a high quality concentrated car shampoo. So 10 milliliters per gallon of water, that's pretty good concentration. You only need about 1 ounce for an entire 5-gallon bucket. That's on par with, you know, Car Pro Reset, so pretty good on that. Rinses off easily, foam's great, good lubrication, smells great. My only complaint is just how thick it is of a formula. It's kind of hard to pour. That's minor though, it's not really that big of a deal. I prefer more of a thinner consistency, not like water, even if it's watery consistency, that's fine as long as it's concentrated, but I digress. That's a moot point, not important. The soap works, it's a great soap. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if there's any other soap that you just absolutely love that you'd like to see me try out. But other than that, guys, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out. Helps us continue to grow and make great videos like this for you. But other than that, I've got nothing else. I appreciate y'all watching. Keep them clean. Have a good one.